I'm old Sneelock. I got a problem. I got a couple of racks I got to join together. While I'm waiting for the epoxy patch to set up on the chainsaw, I have another project. We bought these shelves several years ago to sit in the pantry and hold shoes, because it's right next to the back door. We also have another one that's there to hold various and sundry other items, undefined as of this point. Kind of settled into being the location where we put the empty pop bottles for recycling and trash bags. So when we decided to redo the pantry, we wanted to have that 2 shelves turned into 1. To make that happen, I need to come up with an adapter, because these shelves are not designed to stack one on top of the other like I want them to. So we'll get out the old thinking cap and make an adapter. Now the bottom of the shelves have these adjustable legs. I originally thought, well, I'll just pull the leg out. Now, this leg is welded in there. This adjustable foot is welded in there. I can't remove it easily. But what I can do is take advantage of having the foot like this on the other rack and turn a wood plug. It'll go into the top of the rack support posts, and then I can embed a 1/4-20 bolt in it, and that'll thread into those foot mounts so that I can spin those plugs onto the bottom of the other rack, insert the wooden adapter into this pipe, and that way the other rack will sit right straight on top of it. Now if I had a 3-jaw chuck for the wood lathe, I probably would use that. But seeing as how I don't, the south bend will do just fine. Don't need to worry about how long these pegs are, as long as they go down into the leg of the rack. That'll be plenty good enough. 4 adapters. Just have to touch up the threads a little bit. Make sure that they'll go into the legs. All good. When you have a German Shepherd, you have lots of hair. And you can vacuum 25 times a day. And wherever she happens to walk, and her food dish is right behind me, she's constantly shedding. Winter, summer makes no difference. There we go. Instead of 2 short racks, I now have 1 tall one. Hopefully the designer will be happy with the progress. Well, now that we have the racks put together, I have to go through and start doing the pantry. Yeah, one project follows the other. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.